Hey my cruisers, if you have a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and your third light is not working on the KZJ78, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. This is the hardest part of getting the LJ78. So what I did was I slowly just pried it out slowly until it just popped out. You don't want to force it out too much, otherwise you might snap this plastic. It's pretty, but well, that's what I did. It's pretty flimsy plastic, so I just went in like that, pop, 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 and it snapped out finally. But see, as you can see, hardly any damage, if any, minimal. But then you're gonna have to, I think there's one screw right there, and then I believe there's 2 screws up there, and then a screw right there. So 4 screws that you're going to take out. So we're going to replace this light because it's not working. So at first I was going to replace the light, but I found a better solution which is quicker and easier. So you want to try this first before you get a new light. I sprayed a good coating of WD-40 on this, and then I hooked it back on here. So now we're going to see if it works. I think I might have fixed it. See if it works now. Oh yeah, we got light, baby. So I went ahead and wrapped some silicone tape right here, and we're gonna put these screws back on, and we're gonna test it out again. You're gonna smack it in there, and you're gonna put these screws up top. Make sure that's in there secure. You're gonna line up the screws where the holes are right here. See those holes right there? Screw it back in. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to break the plastic clips. This is a 30-year-old vehicle, guys, so remember, you gotta be gentle with this thing. Alright, now we're gonna see if it works. So there you have it. That's how we fixed the third brake light in the Land Cruiser Prado. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment down below if you got any questions, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, click on one of these 2 videos. Also check my channel. Appreciate the support. Alright, the AZcruiser out.